Hi, in this video, we are going to teach you how to deadlift. Everyone should be able to know how to do this. If you don't know how to hinge properly, you're more likely aging your spine and your entire body faster than somebody who does. I'm Kori Boggs, lead trainer and wellness director at Bennett Fitness. This is my husband, Brad Boggs, the owner of Bennett Fitness. He's gonna help me show you how to deadlift. If this is your first time joining us, we do 30-minute workouts, 10-minute workouts, also some fitness, nutritional tips, tricks, tutorials, all the fun things. But let's stop right there and get into teaching you how to deadlift. Often when you hear the word deadlift, I am sure you're thinking of a heavy lift that's used with a barbell. We're not going to use a barbell because most of us don't have access to barbells right now, but I'm sure you have access to some dumbbells. So we're going to show you how to deadlift with the dumbbell, and then we'll pull in a kettlebell at the end just to kind of show you what that looks like there. So to begin, I'm going to have Brad turn sideways so you can see how the pattern happens sideways, because that's where the main hinging happens, to be able to see how your butt goes back, chest falls. So to begin with, I'm gonna have Brad stand hip width distance apart with his feet, toes pointed forward. The main movement with a hinge or a deadlift is making sure your hips are moving backwards and your chest is falling. So think about, like as Brad is doing, pause here, his hips went back and his chest fell. So that's kind of like a double string. Your hips pulling back, chest being pulled downward. So what Brad's gonna do that again, show that hinge back, hips back, chest down, and then stand nice and tall. As he stands tall, you want to think about pushing the ground, pushing away from the ground so your body comes straight up in a tall posture. So notice he ends in a straight line. As he does that, you want to make sure that your spine stays nice and neutral the whole time. Brad, let's show them with a rounded back. Often when people bend over, so let's do your hinge, round your back, arch your back, and they get all this rounded, ugly posture. So we want to make sure that's not happening. A final cue to think about when you're doing this is you need to actually activate your upper body as well. So to think about that, I like to give my clients cues that they have two $100 bills in those armpits, and you don't want me to snatch them away. When he does that, you notice his lats get all tight, his posture is nice and tall, and he's gonna keep that tension all the way down and all the way up. So that's gonna keep your lats activated, your core strong, nice posture throughout. So from here, we're gonna have Brad pick up some dumbbells and show you what that looks like. So before you get started, his feet are pointed forward. He has nice tall posture. He has $100 bills in his armpits. He doesn't want me to get rich today, so he's gonna keep them there. And then we're gonna go at the pattern. We're gonna hinge back, pause at the bottom for 2 seconds. Good, and notice, stay there, Brad. Notice he has a nice 90-degree angle here with his hips. He's gonna drive through his heels, stand nice and tall. Let's do 5 reps, Brad, to show them what that looks like. Good, he's driving through his heels, standing tall, with his core drawn in. Those $100 bills, I'm not gonna be able to grab. Good job, Brad. Nice, notice how his spine is nice and long at the bottom, so when he goes down, look at a nice straight line. That's perfect, Brad. And one more. Good, and stand tall. Let's even have him set those things aside. And we're gonna show the same thing if you happen to have a heavier kettlebell, what he can do for that. The only difference with this is that now his weight is in the center of his body. When you set up with a kettlebell, Brad, I wanna have people to know that this kettlebell lines up with the middle of your feet. And before you stand, he has a nice straight line. He's gonna drive through the heel, stand all the way tall. Good, nice. And hinge his hips back, pause, and stand tall. Let's do 3 more of those to show them what it looks like. Good, and his breath is proper too. He's exhaling as he stands up. And last one. Nice, strong hinge pattern. Good, he's protecting his spine. He's having a strong core and maintaining perfect posture throughout.
Thank you for joining us for that quick tip on deadlifting. Again, we did that really quick with dumbbells and a kettlebell. We can definitely do that with a barbell. Let us know in the comments below if you'd love to see that. We love hearing your feedback, so definitely put that in the comments below. thank you, Coach Kori, as your clients call you. If this is your first time at our channel, definitely check out our other videos. We have many other workout videos and quick tip videos. Leave a like if you like this video, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time.